Students, in the earlier video, we were studied the general characteristic features of a first class of Bryophyta, that is Hepaticopsida. Now we will see the characteristic features of second class Anthoceratopsida. This class includes 6 genera and 300 species. The plant body is flat, dorsiventral, thalloid, and variously lobed. There are presence of smooth-walled rhizoids. Tuberculate rhizoids are absent. Scale is also absent. Internally, thallus is not differentiated into a zone. All the cells in the thallus are alike and parenchymatous. Air chambers and air pores are also absent. Each cell has a single chloroplast and each chloroplast contains single pyrenoid. Mucilage cavity get developed on the ventral surface by a slime in the thallus, and they open on the ventral surface by slime pores. In Anthoceratopsida, the sex organs are embedded in the cavity. The antheridia are embedded in the antheridial chambers and archegonia are embedded in the archegonial chambers. The sporophyte after fertilization or after germination, after fertilization develops, and that shows foot, intermediate zone of meristematic tissue and capsule. Due to presence of meristematic zone, sporophyte shows indeterminate growth. This class is called as a Anthoceratopsida because the sporophyte develops or grows on the dorsal surface, and their shape is like a horn of bull or ox, and that's why this class has been given a name Anthoceratopsida. In the sporophyte, the sporogenous tissue develops the spores. All spores are same, and that is what homosporous in nature. And there are also development of sterile elaters. The capsule wall shows the many layers along outside, and the epidermis present, that is with a stomata. The capsule matures and get dehisced by the two walls from apex to base. These are the different characteristic features of the class Anthoceratopsida of Bryophyta. Now we will go to see the characteristic feature of a last class of Bryophyta, that is named as a Bryopsida or Massai. This class of Bryophyta is a larger one. It includes about 700 genera and 14,000 species. The plant body we see, that is a gametophytic and differentiated into a structures like rhizoid, stem and leaves. The gametophyte may be branched. There is a central main axis or stem, along with the leaves are present and that are spirally arranged into 3 to 8 rows on the axis. The leaves are sessile. They shows the distinct midrib. The rhizoids are multicellular, filamentous, branched, and they are with a oblique septa. The central axis or main axis of Bryopsida or Massai is a conducting stand, and that is enclosed by a cortex. In case of Bryopsida or Massai, the reproductive structures are present at the terminal position on the same gametophyte or on the different gametophyte. These structures are present respectively on the antheridial head and archegonial head. The antheridia are developed or produced in the antheridial head, and archegonia are produced in the archegonial head. The antheridia and archegonia may be produced on the same plant, or they may be produced on the different plants. That's why the gametophyte may be monoecious or dioecious. After fertilization, the sporophyte is produced. That sporophyte shows the that sporophyte is develops at the terminal position on the uh, archegoniophore, and that has a elongated stalk, and capsule is there. This capsule shows the opening, and that opening is called as a operculum. Near the opening or mouth, there are presence of special kinds of teeth called as a peristome teeth. And inside the capsule there are sporogenous tissue. That sporogenous tissue produces the similar kind of spores, and after dehiscence, the capsule gets dehisced by the opening of the operculum, and for dispersal of the spore, the peristome tissue or peristome teeth are helps, and the spores are come out. They germinate and they form a protonema, and then the gametophyte is develops again. So these are what the different characteristic features of the remaining two classes of Bryophyta. After this, we also has to study the representative examples from each class.